So sometimes your antivirus can block some things you are trying to install or run. Even they are safe, and maybe you are installing a software, testing any file, or just troubleshooting a weird issue of your PC. So whatever the case is, disabling your antivirus temporarily can help fix it. So in this video, I'll show you how you can turn off Windows Defender antivirus step by step on Windows 10. So don't worry, it's easy, and I'll explain how you can turn it on back later. So first of all, open Windows Security. For that, you can click Start menu and type Windows Security, then press Enter. This opens the Windows Security dashboard. On the left hand side, you can click on Viruses and Threat Protection. Then scroll down a little and click on Manage Settings. Under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section, you will see a switch under Real-Time Protection. You can click the switch to turn it off, and you might get a prompt. You can just confirm it by clicking yes. And now your antivirus is off temporarily, and it will usually turn on automatically after a while or when you restart your PC. And you can only disable your antivirus if you trust the file or program you are using, and just don't leave it off permanently. And that's it. Now you have successfully turned off antivirus protection on Windows 10. This is great for troubleshooting or installing trusted programs that get wrongly flagged. So if this video helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos like that. And if you are facing any issue, you can just comment out and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.